Now these little stoves run off of these fuel bottles. This is not your normal propane fuel bottle. It's a little bit different. I'll talk about these in just a second, but here's the stove. And it is, like I said, it's tiny. It opens up just like that. And what's nice with this one, it's got everything you need. It's got a little igniter and everything on it. So all you do, you open up the stove just like so, screw it on the top of your bottle. Make sure it's good and tight, and your stove is set up. Now make sure each one of these little arms is out. It provides a little bit more stability for your pot or whatever you're cooking in. And then to light it, you give it a little bit of a turn so you just hear the gas moving, hit the igniter, and you've got a flame. Now obviously, this is a stove for much smaller pots. We've got a small pot here. Put it on there. I've already got some water in it because it's coffee time. Now, while that's heating up, let's talk about these bottles. Now, when I ordered the little stove, the stove was 10 bucks, but the bottles were super expensive on Amazon compared to what you could get locally. So if you're gonna get one of these on Amazon, grab that. Don't buy this on Amazon. Hit your local sporting goods store. They're about half the price if you buy these locally. So now, let's heat up some water. Let's make some coffee. Now, my new favorite way to make coffee out on the trail is with the AeroPress. It's tiny, it's compact, and it makes an awesome cup of coffee. It's kind of like a French press, but not exactly the same and a lot easier to use. And I'm gonna have a video linked down below talking all about the AeroPress if you wanna check that out, if you're looking for an easy way to make coffee on the trail. Now, if you're looking for a camp stove, I hope this video helped you out, and I hope this kind of solves your problem for you. I've also got these great sets of cookware. I picked the whole thing up for, I think it was like 20 bucks. So it's another great budget option if you're looking for an easy, cheap way to get out camping. So I'm gonna have a link for both of those down below if you wanna check them out. But let me know what kind of things you've found and what's helped you out when you've been out camping. I'm also gonna have links to my videos for the big outdoor fridge that we've been using and also the AeroPress if you wanna make some killer coffee out on the trail. So if this video helped you out at all, give me a great big thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button because we got lots of stuff just like this coming your direction right here on the channel. Thanks for watching.